Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to add bots to your Discord server. Well, to do that, open your browser, then search for Discord bots. Then click on top.gg. Then in here, browse or search for the desired bot and tap on its profile. Then click the invite button and then log into your Discord account. Now, add a server here. So select a server, then click continue. Scroll down and then click authorize. Then verify that you are a human by completing the CAPTCHA. And that's how to add bots to your Discord server. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.